Hey there, I'm Sadie.
And I'm Chris. We're Fork and Path, and we're here to help you get confident in the kitchen.
And today we're really excited because we're partnering with our friends over at 8th and Fork to give you this Apple Cider Liege Waffle recipe, which is my favorite thing to have on the weekends. Chris will make it for me while I'm drinking coffee and sleeping.
It's one of my favorite recipes to make too. This is actually an interesting take on the Liege waffle, which is really just a Belgian waffle. We do it with apple cider instead of milk, just to give it a little more flavor, and it reminds us of fall. And it's a yeasted waffle, so it takes a little time to rise, but it gives you a really rich, hearty, flavorful waffle that you just can't imitate any other way.
And then we also use Swedish pearled sugar in it, which is, I think, a very important step to get the right crunch on the waffle. So we're gonna link the sugar that we use in the show notes.
That's right. Let's get started. Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed the video, and more importantly, we hope you enjoyed the waffles.
Yes, absolutely. And if you want even more great cooking content and tips from us, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you love waffles as much as I do. And I'm about to go eat some waffles and drink coffee.
All right, let's get after it. Sláinte.